Hey guys, so I just woke up. I'm gonna start my skincare routine this morning to show you guys what I do to get ready. First, I just wash my face with water. Okay, and once that's done, I'm gonna grab this. This is I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's by I'm gonna show you the box. It has 4 heads on it. This is what it looks like. And I'll put my I can't talk, I'm so tired. My coupon code over here. And yeah, it's just like a skin care system, and I've been trying it out, so yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I've been liking it when I've been using it, but I have not tried these ones. I would use the pumice stone on like my feet. I would not use it on my face, but yeah, I'm using the smaller, really soft one. So I'm just gonna get the head of this brush wet, and then I'm using my First Aid Beauty face cleanser, and I just feel like this is good for people with eczema, people with sensitive skin. Basically, I'm gonna evenly apply that, rub it in a little bit, and then just go to town with this. I don't wash my face this in depth every single day because I don't think that would be very helpful for my skin. But I do definitely do this at least once a week. This is like my deep clean that I go for. As you can see, the brush doesn't spin super fast. Could have put the batteries in wrong because it was weird. I wanted to do a little eczema update as well while we're getting ready this morning. I'm gonna rinse this off, and then I'm gonna get one of my makeup wipe rag things and wet half of it and just wipe that off with the wet half. Everyone's been asking for a skin, like an eczema update or like a Dupilumab update. So basically I got back on Dupilumab and I've been on it for about 2 months. I definitely can see some differences, but I'm definitely still in the beginning because, like, as you can see, I'm still red. I still have spots, but this is my face, like, not during a flare. I have definitely had flares like last week, so it's not completely gone, but I think my arms are pretty good. Everything looks pretty good, I'd say. So definitely doing better. Glad I got back on that. I got Dupilumab my way to finally work with my insurance. My insurance was being stupid, if you guys saw the video. And yeah, so I finally got them to work with my insurance. And yeah, that's basically what's been going on. Nothing else has really changed. But yeah, so back on Dupilumab, doing better. Still's got a ways to go though. So after this, my face is clean. I am going to apply 2 moisturizers. The first one is going to be this Pond's. This is like their little travel size, but it's really good. I really like it. You can get it at Target, and it's just the Nourishing one. It's definitely lighter, so if you don't like a heavy moisturizer, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, now that's on. Sorry, I'm like trying to get the best light in here, but my mirror's this way. Hopefully that's not super weird. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eucerin, which is like my holy grail moisturizer. It's much thicker, but I think it works well with this Pond's product. It does make my face like a little bit, I mean, I think anything that touches my face makes my face a little bit redder afterwards, as you can see. Hi, mister. How are you, baby? He just likes to talk to me sometimes. I do want to mention this Farmacy Clean Bee makeup melt away. Oh, it's actually just a face cleanser. It says it takes off makeup though, because this is what I use to take off my makeup. I wet my hands, put water on my hands, put water on my face like I did earlier, and then I just rub this in really well and rub all my makeup off, and then I take it off with a makeup towel like this one, which you can get these literally at like 5 and Below. You can get them at super cheap stores, and they're all the same. They're just really soft, they're good for your face, they're not super harsh like bath towels are or anything. So yeah, that is my current skincare routine with a little bit of an eczema update in there for you guys. If you have any more questions, like if you have any like in-depth questions about my eczema, you guys can ask them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. I get a lot of questions about my eczema, so I apologize to those who I haven't answered about them, but that's like my #1 thing I get questions on, obviously, so I will try to answer them. But to answer most of your guys' questions, yes, I'm on Dupilumab. I've been on it for about 2 months. It has been helping. It's definitely been a different process than it was before, but I think I'm less bad than I was before. But yeah, it's doing better, getting there. I don't notice any hair falling out this time, so let's hope that stays. Yeah, so that's all, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe if you like my channel.